Hi Drastic Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw a roll of toilet paper and a bottle of water. So let's get started. To draw this silly drawing, let's first start by drawing our bottle of water. So I'm going to come right here. We're going to draw the cap first. So let's say about right here. I'm just going to draw a straight line down. And we're going to come across for the top and come right back down and connect it. I'm just going to come right here and round off the edges. Then I'm going to come down right here, come in a little bit, and we're just going to draw the neck of our bottle. Come in. And about right there, I'm going to start to come out. So just a simple water bottle shape. And same thing on the other side. From there, let's bring this all the way down. So I'm just going to come straight down on both sides. So let's go on this side first. And it's all up to you how tall you want to make your water bottle. It's going down a little bit more. But right there, I'll stop. So continue the other side. And if you're drawing big, and you need a straight edge, definitely get one. I'm being lazy right here and trying my best here too. Just looking at my camera for guide, draw this straight line. Okay, so then from there, about in this area, I'm going to start to round off the corner and connect it with a curve for the bottom of our bottle here. There. Okay, so then now let's bring it to life. So about in this area, I'm going to go ahead and draw a curve for a label. And I'll end it about right here. And then let's come to the top right here. I'm just going to draw a line for where the water would be. And in this area right here, let's just draw 3 curves lightly. You can do this when you're coloring it as well, so it's not so harsh. Just for some details on the bottle. And if you like, you can always curve these in so it looks like ridges, if you like. There. Okay, so then now let's make this bottle of water here really happy. So we're going to come out in this area and I'm just going to draw a curve for some very happy eyes. And I'll just thicken that up and same thing on this side. And let's give him a very happy smile. So let's go up with a curve, cap it off, and come down with a deep curve and back up. And I'm going to come in here with a tongue and shade this part in. And if you like, that'd be cute, you can just draw a drop of water right here. And okay, so then that's pretty much it for the bottle of water for now. Now let's come right next to this bottle of water and we're going to draw the toilet paper. So I'm going to come, let's say about right here, because I know it's right next to him. I'm just going to give a little bit of space for the arms. So I'll say about right in this area, I'm going to start and draw an oval. So about right here, and I'm just going to go up with my curve. And I'm going to round this part off right here. It's always much harder drawing big. So take it step by step and then we're going to connect it. There, got my oval in kind of. A little bit high over there, so you can always come back in and fix it. Okay, so then now that we have the top oval in, let's bring down a line. So this part's much easier. Just come to that edge and we're going to bring a straight line down. So we're just going to keep bringing this all the way down to where our bottle ends as well. Same thing. And about right there, once again, just like the bottle, we're going to connect it with a curve. From there, let's come to the center of this roll of toilet paper, and we're going to draw another oval right in the center. And then I'm going to shade this in so you can see a little bit better. And then right here, we're going to draw a little flap of paper right here. So come to this corner right here and come in with a curve and out. And I'm going to bring this straight down, following my toilet paper, right, this edge right here. And about right here, I'll stop and curve down, right back in here. So now that the basic shape of our roll of toilet paper is done, let's bring it to life. So I'm going to come in this area and draw a circle for the eyes. And let's make this one a draw so cute eye. So I'm going to come in here with 2 small circles for highlights and a curved line at the bottom and shade in the top. So I did do a roll of toilet paper drawing before. That was with a cute little piece of poop with the toilet paper. But now I'm drawing it with a bottle of water, right? Because it's so appropriate right now. It's the pandemic essentials. So let's come right across in the center and say about right here. I'll give myself a point, and I'm going to draw the other eye winking. So thank you for all the requests to draw a roll of toilet paper, and I really hope this drawing makes you smile. And right here, just draw a little curve, and then a little curve coming down, a little bit more on that side. And in between the eyes, I'm going to draw a little pucker lips, just like a 3. And then in this area right here, I'm going to draw a heart. Okay, so we're done with the face. Now let's draw the hands. So I'm going to come up right here in this area and draw our toilet paper's hand going up, and then the water ball's hand is going to come down because it's much taller. And then when it meets, we're just going to thicken the ends. And then on this side, just make sure it's in the same area, but right here. And I'm just going to go up with a curve and thicken the end. And then on this side, the hand is going to come about right here. And I'm just having it bent, coming down, and then thicken the end. Just come in here to thicken this up. So there, all done. I hope this silly drawing here brings a smile to your day. I love you, cuties, and please stay safe. And thanks so much for watching. And if you loved it, please make sure to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.